And this is a perfect demonstration of why you've got to be very selective where you put pigs, because it doesn't take very long, and they're about digging to China right now. So we had to relocate them because when we picked up the pigs about a month ago, maybe it was a little over a month ago, we didn't have a place to keep them that was clean, so we just threw them in the sheep barn on the bedded pack. And they have spent the last month tilling it up for us. So we have fashioned a temporary hog fence for them out here while we are cleaning the barn. My husband is currently spreading the manure, which is why I'm here, because I'm on pig sitting duty, making sure that they don't get out, because they absolutely will rut their way out of these panels. You can see this pig that already over here that is rutting its heart content. This is why we put them on concrete. They're all digging holes. I haven't really made many videos about pigs. I am not a pig breeder by any means, but we have raised pigs. I think this is year 4 now. This is our 4th year raising pigs on our farm. My father always raised pigs when I was growing up every year. So we would buy them as feeders, feed them out, and then sell them as freezer pork. So that's what we are doing. We went from 6 our first year to, I think it was 10. Then last year we did 12, and now this year we're doing 14. The 14th one is in there because she had a rectal prolapse last week. So he is still separated, and we're waiting for the intestines to fall off. If you're not familiar with that, there are many episodes of Dr. Cole that explain it, but if you have questions, comment, and I'll try to answer them.